Hey, what's going on, people? I hope you guys are doing good. Spring is right around the corner, and if you're in South Georgia or Florida, it's probably already here because all we have is hot and hotter. And you know what comes with spring? Pool parties. But you know what comes with pool parties is a dirty pool. So you're probably going to want to get one of these. This is the Dreame Z1 Pro, and it's a robot pool cleaner with a lot of interesting features, including its own handheld remote, so you don't need to use the smartphone app if you don't want to. It can clean the bottom of your pool, the walls of your pool, and the water line. And I'm going to tell you all about it.
Inside the box, you get your basic literature, quick start guide, warranty info, and a remote control guide. You get a hook that attaches to your pool pole for retrieving the robot just in case, a wall adapter, and a power cable for charging the robot, a remote control, which is really cool, we'll come back to that, a USB-C cable for charging the remote, and lastly, the robot itself. Setup takes about 15 minutes tops. All you need to do is download the Dreame app. It's the same app that they use for the robot vacuums, which is nice. Tap the Add Device button and locate the Z1 Pro. Make sure to power on the robot and reset the Wi-Fi by pressing the correct button combination on the top panel. Then it's as simple as following the instructions inside the app. Once you have it connected to the app, you'll want to make sure the Z1 Pro is fully charged, so go ahead and place it on the charger. Once charged, you'll initiate the perceiving sequence in order for the Z1 Pro to learn your pool's layout. Thanks to its high-tech internals and processing units, it can do so very quickly and accurately. As a matter of fact, let's talk about what makes the Z1 Pro so special.
So like I've already mentioned, this is the world's first robot pool cleaner with Advanced PoolSense Technology. And if you don't know what that is, don't worry, I'm going to break it down for you right now.
The Dreame Z1 Pro's Advanced PoolSense Technology represents a quantum leap in robotic pool cleaning intelligence. This proprietary AI-driven system combines ultrasonic sonar, 3D structured light, and infrared sensors to create a comprehensive pool awareness that transforms how the Z1 Pro navigates your aquatic space. Unlike conventional pool cleaners that rely on random patterns, the Z1 Pro's cutting-edge brain perceives your pool's unique architecture in real time, instantly recognizing everything from straightforward rectangular designs to complex freeform shapes. This results in a customized cleaning strategy with adaptive S-shaped routes that maximize efficiency while ensuring complete coverage. This intelligent path planning algorithm systematically divides your pool into logical zones, allowing the Z1 Pro to precisely hug corners and curves with its dynamic boundary detection. The performance difference is remarkable. Dreame's enhanced navigation delivers up to 50% more efficient waterline scrubbing compared to previous models. What truly sets the Z1 Pro apart is how its PoolSense intelligence powers a suite of performance-enhancing features that eliminate common pool cleaning frustrations. The advanced obstacle recognition system instantly identifies underwater hazards like drains, steps, and pool fixtures. This allows the cleaner to navigate around them autonomously without getting stuck or stalled. Meanwhile, its intelligent dirt detection capability constantly analyzes surface conditions, allowing the Z1 Pro to concentrate extra cleaning power precisely where it's needed most. The system's adaptive S-curve routing ensures overlapping passes in heavily soiled areas, leaving no trace of algae or fine sediment behind. In fact, its technological convergence, sensors working in perfect harmony with sophisticated AI algorithms, enables the Z1 Pro to deliver a truly comprehensive clean while adapting to your pool's specific characteristics and dirt distribution patterns. Advanced PoolSense Technology truly represents the cornerstone innovation that powers the Dreame Z1 Pro's intelligent navigation, adaptive routing, superior dirt removal, and seamless obstacle avoidance capabilities.
Check this out. I did not think I was going to like the Dreame Z1 Pro's remote as much as I do. This thing is incredible. It's really easy to use, very intuitive, and it really does replace the smartphone app. Let me tell you all about it.
The Dreame Z1 Pro transforms pool maintenance with thoughtfully designed control options that put you in charge. The included handheld remote uses innovative LiFi technology for reliable underwater communication, creating a surprisingly responsive experience even when the cleaner is at the deepest end of your pool. For example, you can use the remote and have the Z1 Pro work its way across a stubborn algae patch, then send it back for another pass. When you're finished, a quick command brings up the cleaner to the pool side for easy retrieval. You can do this all without your phone. What makes this underwater control system particularly impressive is the clever use of light-based LiFi technology. Where traditional signals struggle underwater, the Z1 Pro's visible light communication system maintains crystal clear connectivity regardless of depth or water conditions. The difference is immediately noticeable with no frustrating delays or dropped connections that plague other underwater devices. During my testing, commanding the Z1 Pro felt instantaneous, with the cleaner responding to directional changes and special cleaning modes without hesitation. This responsive control system transforms what used to be a tedious chore into almost like a game experience, making pool maintenance something you might actually look forward to, at least for me.
Of course, if you don't want to use the remote, you could still use the smartphone app if you want to. So let me give you a quick demonstration of what you can do inside the app and what to expect.
You can choose exactly how your pool gets cleaned with 4 specialized modes. Clean everything with a global mode, focus on just the floor, target walls specifically, or run a quick waterline refresh when that's all you need. What's particularly satisfying is how you can fine-tune the cleaning intensity based on your pool's current condition. Dial back the suction power for routine maintenance, or crank it up when dirt and debris have taken over after a storm. For those persistent trouble spots that seem to collect debris no matter what, the multi-pass option ensures the Z1 Pro makes extra rounds until everything is spotless. It does this by performing 2 passes. The first is horizontal. Once that's finished, it will go back and do a vertical pass.
Next up, we need to talk about cleaning performance and battery life. And in order to demonstrate the cleaning performance, I got an idea. So to test out how well the Dreame Z1 Pro can actually clean, I went into the garden and I got a bunch of dirt and just threw it into the pool. You can see several large clumps there, and look at all of that. That just looks like straight doo-doo. And we're gonna see how well the Dreame Z1 Pro can clean up all of this. I've never seen the pool this dirty when it comes to stuff inside the water or under the water. I've seen it dirty when it comes to stuff on top of the water, but not like that. So we're gonna see how well it does.
When it comes to cleaning performance, you can expect the Z1 Pro to clean up to 2,160 square feet, which is quite a bit. It has a max suction power of 8,000 GPH, which is very, very high, especially when you look at it compared to the competition. It uses dual brushes to scrub the sides of your pool as well as the floor, and all of this is being powered by dual pump motors. The Z1 Pro uses 2 different cleaning patterns in order to maximize its cleaning capabilities and make it more efficient. When it's cleaning the floor of your pool, it's going to use an S pattern, and when it's on the walls, it uses an N pattern.
Okay, so it finished cleaning. You can see it did a pretty good job. Like, the pool definitely looks a lot cleaner. There's a little bit of dirt left. I'm gonna have to run it for a second cycle, but that's because I took a lot of dirt and just threw it in. But you can see the pool was pretty clean considering how dirty it was. Let's take a look at the filter and see how much it actually captured. Go ahead and pop this open. The filter basket just slides right out. There's a little handle, and you can just slide it right out. Oh my, look at this. Look at all of that dirt. That is so much dirt. Look at that. That is crazy. It's so mucky and muddy. This is why it's important to clean the filter as soon as you get done with the cycle. Because if I were to run another cycle with all of that, it's just gonna spread it around the pool. But look at all that. Pool looks way better. Yeah, that's a win.
Now, when it comes to battery life, you could expect about 4 hours of runtime in floor-only mode. At least that's what's advertised. And it takes between 4 to 6 hours to charge from 0 to 100%.
All right, so we talked about the Z1 Pro and what makes it unique. Let's see how it compares against some of the competition out there.
When compared with other popular models, the Z1 Pro addresses key limitations that pool owners have long accepted as unavoidable. While the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus delivers solid cleaning performance for floors and walls, you'll still need to manually clean the waterline. The Polaris 9550 Sport does offer remote control features and programmable cleaning, bringing some welcomed automation to pool maintenance. However, its corded design creates the same familiar challenges, watching it get caught around obstacles or not quite reaching certain areas due to cord restrictions. In contrast, the Z1 Pro's thoughtful combination of cordless mobility, intelligent navigation, and user-friendly controls creates a noticeably different pool cleaning experience. One where you spend less time managing your cleaner and more time enjoying your pool.
Okay, so that pretty much does it for this video. Let me know your thoughts on the Dreame Z1 Pro down below. If you're interested in the Z1 Pro or Dreame's other products, including the robot vacuum line, you can find links in the description as well as the pinned comment. Outside of that, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more videos just like this, and I'll see you beautiful people in the next one. I'm about to take a swim, but the water is still pretty cold.